everyone! My name is Luxie, and I really love animals. Today, we're going to meet wild animals from all around the world. We'll learn their names and discover fun little secrets about them. All the animals will come to life right before our eyes. We're going to make some small islands in the big blue ocean. To create the ocean, let's spread some blue kinetic sand. Add fluffy white cotton to look like big rocks. Okay, next we'll sprinkle little pebbles all around the shore. On the left side, there's a tiny island. We'll spread some green sand here to look like grass. And for the rest, we'll use yellow sand for the beach. Now let's add trees and lots of plants. Look how beautiful it is! Our amazing animal world looks fantastic! Let's invite the animals to come out! Arctic wolf! The Arctic wolf lives in places full of ice and snow. Its thick white fur keeps it warm and helps it hide. These wolves live in packs and always help one another. They hunt together and share their food. That's how they survive the freezing Arctic world. Arctic hare. The Arctic hare has long, strong legs to hop fast on the snow. Its fur is white in winter, but turns brown in summer. This color change helps it stay safe from predators. It digs through snow to find roots and berries. Because it is so quick, it's very hard to catch it. Arctic fox. The Arctic fox wears a fluffy, cozy coat. In winter, it turns white, and in summer, it turns brown. It can hear little animals moving under the snow. The fox eats hares, small birds, and even fish. Its big tail works like a warm blanket in the cold. Polar bear. The polar bear is the biggest and strongest bear in the Arctic. Its thick fat and white fur keep it safe from the cold. Polar bears are excellent swimmers in icy waters. They travel far to hunt seals and fish. Even though huge, they love to play in the snow. Puffin. The puffin has a bright, colorful beak like a mask. It dives deep and flies underwater with its wings. In summer, puffins build nests high on cliffs. They can carry many fish in their beaks at once. Their funny walk makes them look very cute. Emperor penguin. The emperor penguin is the largest penguin in the world. They huddle close together to stay warm in the icy wind. The father keeps the egg on his feet for weeks. When the chick hatches, both parents take care of it. Penguin families are warm with love, even in the cold. Shark. Sharks are strong hunters of the sea. They have sharp noses and can smell from far away. Their teeth grow in many rows and are very sharp. They swim fast and chase fish or seals. Sharks are powerful and never stop moving. Beluga whale. The beluga whale is called the canary of the sea. It makes many sounds to talk to its friends. Its white body helps it hide in icy water. Belugas are friendly and swim in groups. They love to play and sing together. Orcas. Orcas are black and white and look striking. They are fast swimmers and strong hunters. Orcas live in family groups called pods. They work together to catch fish and seals. People call them wolves of the sea. Spotted seal. Spotted seals have soft gray fur with dark spots. They rest on ice but can dive deep to catch fish. Their round, smooth bodies are perfect for swimming. Baby seals are born with fluffy white coats. These seals are playful and curious in water. Octopus. An octopus has 8 long arms with suckers. It can squirt ink to escape from danger. Octopuses are very smart and solve puzzles. They hide in caves and change color to blend in. With clever tricks, they are hard to catch. Walrus. The walrus is huge and has 2 long tusks. It uses them to climb ice and defend itself. Walruses rest together in big, noisy groups. They eat clams and shellfish from the sea floor. Their whiskers help them find food in the mud. Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest apes in the world. They are strong, but usually gentle and calm. Gorillas live in families led by a silverback. They eat fruits, leaves, and stems from the forest. They walk on knuckles and sometimes climb trees. Elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals on Earth. They use their trunks to eat, drink, and spray water. Elephants live in herds and care for one another. They are smart and remember paths to food. Baby elephants are raised by the whole herd. Lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Male lions have a big fluffy mane around their heads. They live in family groups called prides. Lions hunt together and share food. Their loud roar can be heard miles away. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes on their bodies. No 2 zebras have the same stripe pattern. The stripes confuse predators when they run together. Zebras live in herds and protect one another. They are fast runners and very strong. Anaconda. The anaconda is one of the biggest snakes in the world. It lives near rivers and swamps where it swims well. It squeezes its prey tightly instead of using poison. These snakes can eat animals much larger than themselves. They move quietly in the water while hunting. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros has very thick skin like armor. It has 1 or 2 horns on its nose. Rhinos love to roll in mud to stay cool. They are calm but can run quickly if scared. Even though heavy, they are strong runners. Hyena. Hyenas are known for their laughing sounds. They live in groups led by females. Hyenas are clever hunters and very strong. They also clean up leftovers from the land. Together, they can chase even bigger prey. Oryx. The oryx has very long, straight horns. It can live in hot deserts with little water. Its pale coat reflects sunlight to stay cool. Oryx travel together in groups across the sand. Their horns protect them from dangerous animals. Leopard. Leopards have golden fur with dark spots. They are fast, strong, and good at climbing. Leopards often rest on tree branches. They hunt quietly and hide in tall grass. Leopards can carry prey up into trees. Giraffe! The giraffe is the tallest land animal. It has a long neck to reach high leaves. No two giraffes have the same spots. They walk gracefully with long legs. Giraffes can run fast to escape danger. Wow, that was so much fun, friends! We met so many amazing animals today, didn't we? Which one was your favorite? Tell Lucy in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the little bell. That way, Lucy can take you on even more adventures next time. Big hugs and happy high fives. See you again!